Hi, to change time and time format on your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, we would need to press and hold this down button for about 2 seconds till we see this menu appears on the screen. From here, you would need to select Clocks and then scroll so you could see this time section. Selected, and first thing we can change is time format. So we got two options, 12 hours and 24-hour format. I'm gonna switch from 24 to 12 by tapping it, and this is how it will look now. And if you want to change time itself, you would need to go in this time source section and from auto switch to manual, and then you'll see this additional tab appears on the screen. Tap it, and here you can adjust time manually as you want by swiping up or down and switching from PM to AM, for example. And now to confirm the changes, you would need to press this upper button like that. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.